Hi guys, welcome back to Sea Bear Sketchers. We're playing the lottery, is taking a chance on winning some money. So please like, subscribe, and share my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for the next upload. Alright guys, the last video I did, I won $2 on Double Deucer, so I went back and I got one more Double Deucer. But tonight, so we're going to do this one Double Deucer. Tonight we are doing 40 of the new $1 Lucky Dogs that came out. Well, it's supposed to come out tomorrow, but they came out today. So I'm doing 41 of these, starting with ticket 22 all the way to ticket 61. And then I'll be uploading another video of the new fantasy $5 tickets. And then there'll be another video going up because I'm doing the new Power Shot. This is the new $5 ticket for the education lottery. And then there'll be another video doing the 50 or 100, taking a chance on winning. 50 or 100 better than 10 and 1. That's the $10 ticket. So I have 6 $10 tickets, 8 $5 tickets. Yeah, 8 of these. And of course, of the Fantasy 5, I've got 20. So there will be each separate videos on that. But tonight we're going to do this one Double Deuce. And then we would do the Lucky Dogs, guys. I got 40 Lucky Dogs. And I hope these 40 Lucky Dogs are lucky tonight, guys. Alright. I hope they're lucky, lucky, lucky tonight. Let's see what we can get. If we can get us a winner chicken dinner on this Double Deuces, guys. Let's see what we can get on here. We got us a queen. We got a 10. We got a 5. We have a jack, king, ace, 7, 6, 3. Well, guys, this one, she looked like she a bust. 007 is still a brand new ticket on the new batch. So 007, she a bust. So, well, there ain't no winner chicken dinner on this one. But we managed to get us straight out of this, guys. And we're shooting this one out the park. All right, guys, let's start with our Lucky Dogs, guys. So we have to find an Aggie. This is first time playing these Lucky Dogs. So this is a brand new ticket. I'm doing 40 of these. Let's scratch and see what we can find. We got us a Lola. We have Nick. No, that's Max. Okay. We got to find a matching dog, guys. We have a Yoda. Whoops, sorry, guys. Let's see. Match any of your winning dogs to above prize. We have a Lola, a Coda, a Bruce, and a Max. Sorry, guys. She not a winner chicken dinner, guys. So, this card, she a bust. So, we didn't find no Aggie on ticket 22. Alright, guys. Let's move on to ticket 23. So, no Aggie. Alright. Let's move on to ticket 23. Aggie, she was a bust. Our next dog that we're looking for winning dog Dino. Good old Dino. Come on, Dino. Mama needs a new pair of shoes, buddy. So we're looking for Dino, guys. Let's see if we can get a cha-ching. So we are looking for a Dino, guys, on this video. Okay, let's see if we can find us a Dino. Okay, let's scratch. We need us a Dino. We got us a Max. And we got us a Wrigley. We got us a Spot. We got a Dino, a ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. We got us a Dino. Let's see what our money is on Dino. Dino's $1, guys. We won $1. We won $1 on Dino. Okay, let's write on the back. Okay, we're going to put $1, guys. So we won $1 on Dino. We have a matching Dino, guys. Dino is a winner, guys, $1. Okay, we're moving on to ticket 24, guys. I know, ticket 24. I've got a whole stack that we're going to go through, guys. We got a whole stack. We got 40 of them. All right, ticket 24, we are looking for sage. Okay, we need us a sage. We're not talking about the sage to cook with now, guys. All right, let's see if we can find us a sage. There's a Max. That Max keeps coming up. There's another Dino. We have us a Bruno. Sorry, guys. We got us a Bruno, which Bruno's a hot dog. And we got us Aggie. Look at that. No, she no winner chicken dinner. She no winner. She a bust. All right, let's move on to ticket 25, guys. We're going to move on to ticket 25 and see if we can find us. Oh, our dog is a Bailey. We need to find us a Bailey, guys. Isn't Bailey so cute? We need to find us a Bailey, guys. You think we can find us a cute Bailey? Bailey is cute. Let's see if we can find us a Bailey. We found us a Dino again. We found us another Max. We found the Aggie. And we found the Sage, guys. Well, this one, she a bust. Ticket 25 is a bust, guys. So, yep, ticket 25, she a bust. All right, guys, we're moving on to ticket 26. And our dog is Spot. Let's see if Spot can give us some money. Well, there's a Jack. That's a new dog. There is a Coco. There's a Luna. And we got us a Voda. Yep. A Coda dog. Sorry, guys, no Spot. Well, that's what we call taking a chance, guys. No winner chicken dinner here, guys. Okay, let's move on to ticket 27. What are we going to get, guys? No ticket 20. Let's get on ticket 20. Ticket 27 is a Sage. Sage is a beautiful poodle. Okay, guys, we found us an Aggie. We got us a Bruno dog. We got a Bruno. That's a German Shepherd. We got us a Becky. Oh, that's a Bruce, sorry. That's a Bruce. And we got a Coda again. Guys, this is a no winner chicken dinner. Not tonight. There won't be no dinner winning here, guys. So, I put 40 bucks, about 40 of them at $1. They're brand new. So whatever I win back in the Lucky Dogs will go back into the same Lucky Dogs. If I win $2, I will get 2 Lucky Dogs. Okay? She is a bust. Okay. So let's go on to ticket 28 to see if we can find us. Ooh, my favorite basketball team. That's a Duke. I like the Duke Blue Devils. That one's a Duke. Let's get us a Duke. Oh, guys, winner, chicken dinner. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding. Cha-ching. We got us a Duke dog, guys. And she is $10, guys. Winner, chicken dinner every day. Guys, she's a Duke. Whoop, whoop. Ching, ching. That's 20 bucks. baby. Cha-ching. Guys, we got us another Duke. Cha-ching. Another $10, guys. Woo. Cha-ching, guys. Another Duke. Look at that, guys. Ding, 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 ding. That's a winner chicken dinner every day, guys. Look at that. I'm ticket 28 in, and I am ahead by what? $1? I made my money back. I spent 40, and I won 40. Cha-ching. It's like my Duke Blue Devils, guys. I love my Blue Devils. But right now in football, we are sucking. But my Duke Blue Devils paid off, guys. Look at that. Duke for $10. That's $40, guys. We're going to take it right. $40 on here, guys. Cha-ching. I'm going to put it right back in the same pot. Might not end up with the same number, same row of tickets, but cha-ching. We're up $41, guys. Let's move on to ticket 29. Yep. So the $200 I won Thursday and Friday, the 100 and the 100 on the other ticket, I put it back in the pot. But look at this. We are looking for cute Bailey. My Duke played off, baby. That's a Wrigley's. This is a Ella. But we're looking for Bailey. There's a Max. I haven't come across a Max yet. And this is a Daisy. Well, but my Duke Blue Devils paid off. Wing, wing, ching, ching. I'm ahead. I'm not in the negative on the $1 ones yet, guys. We're going to scratch, 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 scratch. And try to get a cha-ching. Okay. Let's move on to ticket 30. And we are looking for a beautiful, lovely Lola. Let's take Lola to the park. We got a Baxter. And we got us a Daisy. And we have us a Rover. And we have another Max, guys. Look at that. But this is not a winner chicken dinner. This ticket, she a bust. Yeah, she's not a cha-ching, money maker. So I'm ahead by $1. And I invest it right back in the pot. Okay. Let's move on to ticket 31. Okay. And we are, look, we finally got us a Max, guys. There's Max. Max Mad, the Mad Magazine. Let's see if we can find us some Max. Okay. We got a Jack. And we got a Bailey. And we got us a Rover. Guys, and we have an Ella. Well, sorry, guys. This ticket, she a bust, guys. She is a bust. Yep, she's a bust. She know when I want to take dinner. But I finally got a Max card. Okay, guys, let's move on to ticket 32, guys. And this time we have to look for a Sadie. On ticket 32, guys. Let's find us a Sadie. Guys, we got a Sadie. Winner chicken dinner every day. $1 for Sadie. We got us another Sadie. She's $1. We got us another Sadie. She's a winner chicken dinner every day, guys. Ding, 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 ding. Sadie, she's $4 winner, guys. So we're up $5. Yes, playing the new lottery scratch-offs that were supposed to come out yesterday. But when you go to the convenience store and they got them out, hey, $4. Sadie's up by 5. I love my Sadie. I'm up $5. Right, moving on to ticket 33, guys. Let's get to see if we can find us a spot. Spot is a dog. Hello, Spot. Which firehouse do you work for, Spot? Okay, we got us a Daisy. We got us a Wrigley. There's a Bruce. And we got us, oh, Goose. Dog's name is Goose. And this ticket is she a bust. A big time bust. Yep, ticket 33 was a bust. But of course, we're in the pot, guys. We're up. Now we're looking for a Luna. Luna like. She looked like she got a face on her. Okay, who do we got here? We got a Sage. We got us a Bruno. We got a Baxter. And we got a Duke. That Duke ticket was a very lucky Duke. Yes. So, guys, we're going to see what else. We're moving on to a new dog, which we haven't ran into yet. All right, our new dog on 35 is a Goose. We're looking for a Goose. Honk, honk, honk. Let's see if we can find us a Goose. Well, there's Spot. There is Dino. We got a Coda. And we got a Luna. Luna was our last dog. This is not a winner chicken dinner. This is she a bust. There was a bust for her. She was a bust. But hey, some of these dogs are cute. All right, now we are looking for a Sage on ticket 36. All right, guys. Hey, that's a Fido. And an Ella. This is Misty. Well, that's a new dog. And we got us an Aggie dog. Yep, an Aggie dog, guys. So, scratching. And this ticket, she was a bust. Yep, ticket 36 was a bust. But some of these dogs are so cute. Okay, this time we are looking for a Ginger. Look at Ginger in her face. Yeah, Ginger said, good luck. We got another Dino. Guys, we got a Ginger. Ding, 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 ding. Winner chicken dinner. We won $1. We got a Lola. And we have a Sage, guy. So Ginger is a winner of $1, guys. So far, we're up $6. Okay. Ginger was a winner. Winner chicken dinner, guys. Let's move on to 38. Maybe Duke right here. Remember the last Duke that we got? Maybe this Duke will do the same thing, guys. Let's find us another 4 more Dukes. Well, we got a Jack. We got an Ella. We got a Bruce. And we got a Aggie. Well, this ticket, she a bust, guys. She no winner chicken dinner, but my last Duke dog played good. I thought this Duke would have played good too, but ticket 38, guys. Yeah. Duke, we love the Duke Blue Devils. And love all the other teams that play against Carolina. Okay, we're looking for Sadie. Ticket 39, guys. Let's see if we can get us a winner chicken dinner every day, guys. Come on, Mama needs a new pair of shoes. Right, let's look for a Sadie. Guys. We got a Wrigley's. We got a Ginger. And let's go on to the next one is Coda. Yeah, Coda. And we got us a Dino, guys. It's no winner chicken dinner on this one. She's a bust. All right. Let's move on to ticket 40. And we are looking for a Rover. Hey, look at Rover's ears. They look lopsided. Rover looks like one of them dogs that when you leave, ooh, let me see what I can get into. So let's see if we can find us a Rover on this ticket 40. Since I got 40 of these, ticket 40 should pay off since I got 40. Let's find us a Rover. Well, guys, we got us a Sage. We got a Lola. We got us a Rover, guys. Ding, 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 ding. Cha-ching. She's a buck. And we got a Bailey, so ticket 40 is only $1, guys. $1. All right, let's move on to ticket 41 and see if we can't get a cha-ching out of ticket 41, guys. And we're looking for Lola. Lola's in the money. All right, we got us a Bruce. We got us a Max. And we got us a Bruce. A Bruno. Bruno Mars, guys. And we got a Bailey. And ticket 41, she was a bust. She was a bust, guys. Okay. Well, let's move on to ticket 42 and see if we can get something like a Dino. Now we got us a Bruno, which is a German Shepherd. He looks curious. Tell him, Bruno Mars. All right, guys. We got a Luna. We have a Spot. We got us a Bailey. And an Ella. Sorry, guys. This ticket, she was a bust. She was a no-winner chicken dinner on here, guys. This ticket 42 was a bust. We're going to move on to 43. And our dog is Goose. Little poodle. 43. Look at Goose's face. Like someone take me home. Let's see if we can find us a Goose, guys. Okay. Think we can get us a winner chicken dinner on Goose? All right, guys. Hey. We got us a Brady, which is a little poodle. We got another poodle, which is a new dog. This is Junior. She looked more like a girl. Well, guys, we got a Rover. And we got us a Ginger. Sorry, guys. Ticket 43. She's a bust. A bust right to the trash. We gotta make sure we scan all the tickets in for points, though. This one, we are looking for a Junior. Look at the face on that poodle. Like, what kind of mischief can she get into? All right, we got a Luna. We have a Bruno. We have an Ella. Guys, we got a Junior. Ding, 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 ding. Cha-ching. What do we got here? $1, guys. Well, winner, chicken dinner. Not much. On ticket 44. We won $1, guys. Yes, okay. Moving on to ticket 45. Let's see if we can get us a winner chicken dinner on here. Oh, we're looking for a Misty. This is a new dog. Let's see if we can get us a Misty. Well, Rover. Dino. Baxter. And we got an Aggie, guys. Well, ticket 45's. She was a bust. Kapoosh. She was a bust, guys. Well, Misty didn't pay off, but I was hoping she would. Ticket 45 was a bust. Let's move on to ticket 46. Ooh, there's a Rover with the ears lopsided. He looks like a curious dog, like might get into trouble. All right, 46, ticket 46. Hopefully we can find us some money, 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 money. Ticket 46, guys. We got us a Ginger. We got us a Dino. We got a Wrigley's. And we got us a Daisy, guys. And ticket 46, she was a bust. She was a bust. Let's move on to ticket 47, guys. Look at that. Look at that, Bruno. He's like, help me. Why would they put me on the cover of this card? I'm Bruno the dog. All right, guys, let's see what Bruno's going to do. Is Bruno going to be good? Ticket 47, guys. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button. Let's see what's coming up next on 45. We're looking for Bruno. We found the Daisy. A Max. I haven't come across a Max yet. We have a Luna. And we got a Rover. But this card, she a bust, guys. Ooh, guys, look. There, on ticket 48. Poor little Bailey. Look, there's Bailey. The cute little poodle. You think we can find us a Bailey? My niece is named Bailey. Bailey's a nice name. All right, guys. Let's see. Bailey. Let's see if we can find us a nice Bailey. We found a Wrigley's. Okay. We found a Coda. Let's see if we can find us. Nope. There's a Sage. Come on. There is a Junior. This ticket, Shia. A Blaming Post. All right, let's move on to a Max, guys. Hey, hey, hey. We got us a Maxaroo. Let's hope we get the max amount, guys. Top prize is $5,000. We got us a Max. I'm hoping this is a good ticket. Come on, Max. Give me something good, Max. Let's see what Max will do for us, okay? Okay, Max. Let's see what we find. We got us a Goose. Hey, we got us a Fido. Fido. All right, guys. We got a Daisy. And we got us a Wrigley's. Well, no Max today. That we would be maxed out, but this ticket, she is a Blaming Bust. Ticket 49. Moving on to ticket 50, guys. This one we got us a Rover. Rover. Oh, oh. Rover. All right, let's see what Rover is going to do for us today. Rover, 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 come over. Okay, guys, look. Your dog. Let's see if we can find us a Rover. We found the Duke. That last Duke ticket was a good one, guys. We got us a Duke, a Daisy. We got a Sage. And we got us a Jack, guys. Ticket 50. She was a bust. God, some of these dogs are cute. All right, our next dog. Ooh, ding, 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 ding. We finally got a Coco on ticket 51. There go Coco. Coco got her leash on. Okay. Ticket 51. Let's see if we get a payout on ticket 51, guys. Ticket 51. There's Daisy again. And we got us. There's a Bailey. There's a Daisy. We got us a Spot. We need a Coco. Coco Cabana. And there's a Sage. Yep, we got us a Sage, guys. Yep, Okay. Let's see what we get now. Okay. Yep. Okay, guys. Let's see. Move on to ticket 52. And we got us a Max. Okay. Let's see what we got here. We got us a Wrigley's. Oh, we got a Max. Ding, ding, ding. We got us a Max. What's our prize? $1. We got us a Misty. And we got a Dino, guys. This ticket is $1, guys. Winner, winner, chicken dinner every day. It don't matter. Might pay off some. Alright, guys. So ticket 52. She was a winner. We are moving on to ticket 53. Our dog is Ginger. Winning dog is Ginger. We are looking for a winner with Ginger. Ginger Rogers. Okay. Well, there goes a Rover. There goes Bruce Lee. No, that's Brady. Sorry. And there goes Luna. And there goes Dino. Well, guys, ticket 53. She was a bust. But hey, Dino's so cute. Ginger's so cute. And ticket 53 was a bust. We're moving on to ticket 54. Oh, there's a Fido. Can't see Fido's the side of it. Fido looking up saying, "Give me a treat. Give me a treat." All right, Fido. Let's see if we can have some luck with Fido. So we ain't got to fight nobody. All right. Well, there's a Rover. There's a Sage. Let's see here. We got us a Bruce. And we got us a Coda. Sorry, guys. This ticket, she a bust. We're moving on to ticket 55. We are looking for a Bailey and a top prize. If we got the $5,000 top prize, guys. So, ticket 55, guys. Let's see if we can find us a Bailey. Well, nope. We found Bruce. No, that's Bruno. We found us a Bruno. We found us a Misty. We found a Sage. And we found an Ella, guys. This ticket 55, she a bus. Right on the ticket 56. We're looking for cute little Ginger. Look at Ginger in the house. All right, I hope Ginger pays off. We are looking for a Ginger, guys. Yep. We found Goose. We found Bruno. We found a Spot. And we found us an Aggie. Well, Bruno, we like you, but Ginger did not pay off on ticket 56. We're moving on to ticket 57. We're looking for a Fido. Fido looking up saying, "Give me a snack." We're ticket 57, guys. All right, let's see what we can find on ticket 50. We want us a Fido. Well, there's Brady. Ain't no Tom Brady. We got us a Duke. We got us a Fido. Ding, 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 ding. Cha-ching. We $1, guys. Cha-ching. $5 on ticket 57, guys. So $5, guys. So ticket 57 paid off, guys. Cha-ching. All right, let's move on to ticket 58, guys. After 58, we got 3 more tickets. We are looking for a Sage. All right, guys, let's see if we can get another big win out of this. All right, we're looking for a Sage. Some of those are cute. Those dogs are cute. Okay, we're looking for a Sage. We got us a Rover. We got a Fido. We're looking for Sage, guys. A Dino. Another Sage you put in the food. And a Bruce. Ticket 58. That means she a bust. Ticket 59. Ticket 59. We're looking for a Misty. Yeah, Misty. Let's see if we can find us a Misty, guys. Think ticket 59 is going to pay off? Nope, there's a Dino. There's a Bailey. We got us a Misty. Cha-ching. What is Misty going to give us today? $1 on that one. And there's Goose, guys. So ticket 59, she's $1. Okay. Let's move on to ticket 60, guys. So, Bailey is the dog we're looking for. The cute little poodle. Okay. There is Bailey. We got us an Ella, Fido, a Misty, and a Coda. Those are the dogs, guys. We were looking for Misty. And that ticket, she's a bust. But we're going to make sure we scan these tickets in. All right, guys, moving on to the last ticket. We're looking for a Rover. Hopefully we can hit big. And don't forget to hit the like side, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. All right, let's see if we can find us a Rover, guys. We got us a Sage. We got a Bailey. We got us a Ginger. And we got an Aggie, guys. Well, sorry, guys. Ticket 51, she's not a winner chicken dinner. So, let's find our ticket here. Okay. So, ticket Duke. She was a $40. And then ticket, that's 41. So that's 40. So 45. And then we got 49. We have 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, $51, guys. We put in 40 and we won $51. So we're ahead by $11. So Lucky Dog was a little lucky tonight. I hope to see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share. See you on the next episode of Sea Bear Scratchers, guys. Good night.